Hey guys, this is Scooters 2013, and I just went to John's Incredible Pizza today, and won like almost 2,000 tickets, and bought this lava lamp. So I'm gonna be doing a unboxing and review, and I know this is kind of lame, but there's nothing really else to do a video about. So, it was like 1,800 tickets or something like that, and the colors red and yellow. The lava's red and yellow, and then it looks like that, but with red and yellow right there. So I'll just be unboxing it and doing a review. Alright, one quick second, guys. Sorry. Just gonna put you right there for a quick second. Okay. So, pull it out. So this is gonna be the lava lamp. Okay, and then the top part, and that's it. Okay, so cord, this part, just throw that away. Take this out. That's what it looks like. Then I'll just screw this little bulb in. Are you kidding me? Oh my god. I just broke the glass. That's such a fail. I'm gonna try to get so you can see it. Okay. That's really hard to see. But basically, maybe it's right there. Okay, kind of see it. My thumb is over it. Right there. I just cracked it, and there's the glass. That's sad. Okay. There, now you can see it. I hope it still works. I'll try it out. See how this turns out. I really hope this works. And I'm just going to plug it in and see how that turns out real quick. So I'll just plug it in and see if the light bulb still works, which it should. Okay, moment of truth, and it still works. Actually, no, it doesn't. I don't know if you can see that, but whoa, that's weird. Okay, so it does not work. And I don't know if you saw that, but there was smoke, and I don't know if I want to touch it. Hope it doesn't explode or something. Ooh, that was so stupid. Now I cannot use this lava lamp. Oh my god. That's... And you guys are probably going to comment, oh, you're stupid. But, oh well. And it's like smoke coming out of it. There you go. See the smoke in there. Well, that sucks. But I guess I'll just finish the unboxing. That's such a freaking failure. So mad. Oh my god. And Garrett, Danny, Alan, Stefan, all you guys are gonna be laughing right now, I know. At least this part's pretty cool. Okay. Well, I'm sorry that broke on you guys. That was really dumb on my part. But, I mean, that's pretty much it. Okay, so that part's taken off. Now, looks like a regular bottle. And then this part's a solid down here. And then take this thing off. Okay. That'd go like that. And that'd originally go like that. And it would work, but no. I have to be stupid and break the thing. So I'm sorry guys that you did not get to see it lit up or working. So stay tuned for more videos, and broken glass sucks. I'm gonna break it more. Get my knife. See what happens.
It'll pop.
Yep. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, crap. Getting all glass all over my room. That's smart. Okay, now it's all over my floor. So, I'll have glass in my foot for the next week for YouTube. No, I'm just kidding. But, I'll see you guys next video. And, stay tuned to the channel. Have a good day, and see you next time.